Hey guys, it is Sunday, and so we're almost ready to start the week where we're going to do our reboot. And I just want to make sure that you are fully prepared and you are going to be set up for success in doing all 21 days and sticking to it the way that you need to. So the best way to do that is to make sure that you have what you need to get all the way through this first week. Yesterday I talked about some vegetables that you should get. There's going to be a list of things that we're going to put on that I want to give you as your full shopping list in that. But one other thing I want to talk about is preparing a little bit of snacks and something you can prepare that will get you through the whole week. I've told many people about this as I make a 3-bean salad. Very simple, very inexpensive. In fact, this whole salad, if you eat it for an entire month, is going to cost you less than $10. If you've gone somewhere like Panera for lunch, it could be twice as much as that for just one lunch. So think about how much money you'll be saving by doing this. So here's what I do. I get a BPA-free organic can of black beans, garbanzo beans, and kidney beans. Mix them in a big glass bowl. Dump in a little olive oil. People always ask me for measurements, but that much. And then some apple cider vinegar. Don't put too much because you're going to add some for taste. Some salt, and now this is where your celery comes in from yesterday. You might want to chop up some celery and throw it in there. Maybe chop up some onion and throw it in there. That's kind of the way I do it. Mix it up. That's my base. That sits in the refrigerator all week. All I have to do now is come home, pull it out, take out a couple of scoops, and I've got a bean salad. Now if I wanted to add to that, I would throw some olives on there. Or if I wanted to throw some spice in there, I'd throw some spice in there to mix it up throughout the week. But that's going to get me through. That's going to give me my 25 to 30 grams of fiber. It's going to give me a good clean protein. It's going to give you magnesium. It's going to give you so many things that most Americans might be missing. In fact, that is what people are doing in those blue zones around the world. So get those beans today. If you haven't gone shopping yet, add them to it and make that how you're going to make that. Now, the other thing I would have you pick up to kind of get you through those munchy, snacky times are raw pumpkin seeds and cashews. Those are two excellent things that you can do to help give you the snacks that you need. Pumpkin seeds are going to be loaded with zinc. They're going to be loaded with phosphorus. One of the things that we're finding sometimes people are getting not enough in their diet of is phosphorus. Those cashews are going to give you magnesium again, vitamin B6, tryptophan. So these are great snacks. Get a little container of them raw so that you have them ready to go throughout the week, and that should get you well prepared. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one.